Hey kids!
Hi classmates!
Okay, so we're here to teach you how to divide. Pero bago tayo mag-divide, dapat alam nyo na yung 3 basic operations. What are those 3 basic operations?
Addition, subtraction, multiplication.
Yes, before you can divide, you should know how to add, to subtract, and to multiply. Okay? You should also know how to skip count. Okay? Makakatulong din ang skip counting in division. Alright? Okay. So I have here a division sentence. Let us read the division sentence.
536 divided by 4 equals n.
Okay, so the parts of a division sentence are
Dividend, divisor, quotient.
okay. So the number to be divided, that is your dividend. And then the number that will divide the dividend is the divisor. And then finally, the answer in division is the quotient. Alright? Are you ready to divide?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, so let's get the quotient or the answer in this division. 536 divided by 4. So this is how you write a vertical division or a long division. Okay? Alright. Okay, so we start with 5 divided by 4. What is 5 divided by 4?
1.
Okay, and then, what do you do next?
Multiply.
Okay, you multiply 1 and 4. So the answer is
4.
4. And then,
Subtract.
okay, we subtract. So 5 minus 4 equals,
1.
okay, and then,
bring down 3.
okay, we bring down 3. So in dividing, we should follow this process. D, M, S, B.
Like what I'm doing.
Okay? Anong ibig sabihin nito? You divide, then you multiply, and then you subtract, and then bring down. Okay? So, ganun lang, paulit-ulit lang natin gagawin yon until we reach the quotient. Okay? Let us continue. Okay, so we have 13. What is 13 divided by 4?
3.
Okay. So divide and then multiply. What is 3? What is 3 times 4?
12.
Okay, so you write 12 there. And then subtract. What is the answer? Okay, after subtraction, what's next?
Bring down.
Okay, bring down 6. So you have 16. And then divide again. What is 16 divided by 4?
4.
Okay. And then multiply. What is 4 times 4? You will get
16.
okay. And then you subtract again. Okay, what is the quotient? So the quotient is 134. Okay? So you always follow this process. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Okay? Okay, so this is our second example. 1,785 divided by 5. As you can see, 1 divided by 5 cannot be. You cannot divide 1 by 5 because 1 is smaller than 5. Okay? So, para makapag-divide kayo, you consider the next number. Okay? What do I mean? You consider 17. Okay? So now, you are ready to divide because 17 divided by 5, it's now possible. Okay, what is 17 divided by 5?
3.
How do you find that? You just skip count. 5, 10, 15. Okay? And that's 3. Okay? And then you multiply 3 times 5
is 15.
Okay. Subtract.
And then bring down 8.
Okay. Okay, so now you need to divide 28 by 5. So you do like 28 divided by 5. Okay, you do your skip counting. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So it's like this. Let me write. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. Okay? You only consider up to 25. Okay? Because you only have 28 here. Okay? So what's the answer? What is 28 divided by 5? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Continue. Okay, and then you subtract. You'll get 3, and then?
Bring down.
Okay, bring down. You always remember to check kung meron pang kailangang i-bring down. Okay? So you have 35 here. Now, what is 35 divided by 5?
7.
Okay. Okay, so the quotient is 357. Okay? This is our third example. What is 8,939 divided by 7? I will let this little boy do this number. So the quotient is 1,277. Let's have another example. Okay? This time, let teacher A do it. Okay? So we have 8 divided by 6. You'll have 1. And then 1 times 6, you have 6. Subtract 8 minus 6, it's 2. Bring down 2 here. So you have 22. What is 22 divided by 6? What do you get? You remember your multiplication table or your skip counting. You have 6, 12, 18, 24, and so on. Okay? But you only take up to 18. You cannot have 24 because it's bigger than 22. So, 22 divided by 6 is 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, you have 3 here. 3 times 6, you have 18. Subtract. Okay? minus 8, you have 4. 1 minus 1, it's 0. So you don't have to write it. Bring down 5. Okay? And finally, what is 45 divided by 6? Let us keep count together. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. Ilan ang na-count ninyo? You do it again. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. So we have 7 here. Okay? 7 times 6 is 42. And then if you subtract, the answer is 3. Right? At wala na tayong i-bring down kasi na-bring down na natin lahat. Now, my question is, what do you call the extra number here? This is what you call the remainder. Okay? This is an extra work for my little boy. Feel free to pause this video to solve this problem on your own. Sabi niya, kaya 5 ang ginamit niya because 235 ends with 5. Did you get 654 as well? Great job!